Hi, today I'm going to be working on my daughter's 2008 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to be replacing her two vent visors. Neither one of them will stay up. You clamp it and it just drops down. So I bought a couple of them on Amazon and I'm going to show you how to replace them. Alright, let's get started. Okay, now I'm in the car and I will put links down below as to the Amazon link where I got them. They weren't very expensive. So here's the visors now, tight space, so when you put it up like that, it just drops right down. So I'm going to show you how to replace them. This pops off, there's a couple of screws, an electrical plug for the light, put it back in and all set. Okay, as you can see, this is the piece that you pop off, it just snaps on. You take a standard common screwdriver and just pry it out. It doesn't take a lot of pry to pop it off, and you'll put the visor this way so that it fits the groove here and pop it off, and you can see the two Phillips head screws right there. I'm going to remove those, and then there's a plug behind it that you just unplug and put the new one in. Alright, okay, this is the piece that goes in right here, the old one. You push on this side here, push that in, and that pops right out. So there's the old one, and there are the new ones. Let me get it out of the package. And you can see the side that clips on is that side. Okay, that's done. Push it back up in there. I'm sorry, hard to do one-handed. Okay, you push it back up in there and then set your screws. You'll see this clip here. Whoops. See this piece here kind of goes toward the back to help hold it up, and then you line your two screws up. So let me get that done and show you the end result. Okay, it takes a little finesse to get that to snap in just right. You'll want to put the visor back like this again, so you got a little bit of a leverage to get that piece to slide onto the metal. But when you get it in, you'll see it's all nice and flush like that. Put the two screws in and then snap this back on. So you can put it back like that. And there we go. We have a nice working visor. See if I can get a good view. So now it stays up. And the light still works. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.